Attention shoppers, the store is closing in 10 minutes. Do you need help with your purchase?
Take the tots. Pretty pony. Bah.
Do you need help with your purchase?
No.
Do you need help with your purchase? Do you need help with your purchase? Are you okay? Do you need help with your purchase? I can't see. Do you need help with your purchase?
No. Oh. No.
What are you doing?
Moose.
What?
Moose.
What are you holding?
I don't know. Does she not?
Oh, did you just put conditioner on your nose?
No, it's in my mouth.
Oh, ew! It's funny. Do stuff other. Do some other stuff. Ah! Man, would you like to purchase that?
No.
Then why are you holding it?
I feel like
Do you have a balloon in your stomach?
No.
Are you okay?
No.
You're not okay? Do I need to call the police?
No.
Are you alright?
No.
That's on camera, person.
Why are you stalking me?
Dude, we're... No, Steph! Oh, God. God. I love you, God. Come here, Seth. Come on. Do, no, look at me. I just... Oh, look, Lisa. Lisa. Go. Let's do it. Okay, this is really a mess up. Bye-bye.